Hello, Stacy and Warren. This is Dave from WebGarden. I'm just going to talk to you guys a little bit about the Friends of the Garden Center page, how I redesigned that. It's going to be very similar to many of the other tutorials that we've gone through so far. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to start here at the dashboard. Hold on just a moment. Load the dashboard. Start at the dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see this little link that says Meet Our Friends. When you open that, you're going to see this entry interface and then all of the different friends that have been entered so far. And it's really quite simple. You select which category the person or place belongs in. You give the place a name, you enter the website, and then you can upload a logo. I've been using, you can see on the page, all square images or logos. And I've either created these or just simply downloaded them from around the internet. For some of them, I've actually had to download an image and then place it on a larger background, like, for example, the Greenwood Lake Chamber of Commerce, in order to make that square. Feel free to use this however you like it. They don't have to be square. The template will still work. If they're not, it just won't be as even as it is now. But a little bit of image manipulation. I use a program called GIMP. It's quite simple to use. It's free to, very powerful, very similar to something like Photoshop with slightly different controls. But anyway, let's take a look at the capabilities of this little interface. So one cool thing is that you can actually rearrange these. In order to get them to rearrange here on the page, can't move sections around without me doing a little bit of coding. But like, let's say, for example, you wanted the Waterstone Inn to be the first link here in the travel and accommodation section. We can go ahead and find the Waterstone Inn, simply grab that the number next to it on the left and drag it from that numbered section wherever you want into place. And then as soon as you go ahead and reload this page, you'll notice that the Waterstone Inn is now over here and everything else is shifted to the left. So you can do that with any of these. Let's say you wanted Village Buzz to be up here and you wanted the Grange to be before the two wineries or something like that. Feel free to add as many things to this little database. You can think about it as a little growing local database of local businesses, maybe. So feel free to go around the internet and, for our local little community here and add whoever you like. Should be really easy, and it should come out looking really smooth and clean. If you guys have any questions, please go ahead and let me know, but I believe that is the end of this little video. Oh, also, sorry, I guess one little thing to add on. Let's say you guys wanted to change this little statement. It's just like any of the other pages that I've been doing those little boxed texts on. You can come into the code here and change all of this stuff between the HTML code. And anytime you make changes on a page like this, you just need to hit the little update button. And then you can view the page by clicking View Page to see how your changes came out. So again, this is my reimagining of the Friends of the Garden Center page. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Bye.